Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. As you can tell from the title, I'm going to be cleaning my fridge, and then I've got a grocery haul for you. I actually ordered groceries early this morning, and I figured it was a good time to clean out my fridge before I brought new groceries in. I didn't get a whole lot of groceries because I already had dinners for the week. I just needed some more breakfast and snacks for the kids. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and make sure you like and subscribe if you do enjoy it. I'd love to have you as part of my family.
Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know how I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise.
Recently, my husband had a soda can get a hole in it in the fridge, so it leaked all over the fridge. That's why there's so much brown stuff, and I've just been putting it off for about a week cleaning it. But I guess today is the day. I'm going to spray it with my Jaws kitchen cleaner, and then I'm going to use just a Dollar Tree sponge to scrub out the main stuff. And then I'm going to go back through with the microfiber cloth to actually clean it once I'm done scrubbing all the hard stuff off.
It's just something about you, I just want more. Tell me what you wanna do right now. Tell me what you wanna do tonight. I really don't care as long as I'm with you. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. Look into my eyes, you can use them as a mirror. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. Falling down, and I don't know how I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know how I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Yeah, it feels like I'm on cloud nine.
Now that the inside of the fridge is done, I'm going to move on to the shelves and the baskets. I'm going to do the same process I did on the inside of the fridge, starting with the sponge and then moving on to a towel. I'm actually going to also use the glass spray for all these glass parts.
Just know that I'm with you. Just know that I'm with you through it all, and I'm gonna be there whenever you win or if you fall. I know that we will make it through the storm, 'cause you and me been fighters since we were born. It's all over our bodies and hearts. Yeah, you and me been fighters right from the start. Hey, don't you worry. Hey, don't you worry about a thing. You get what you're given, but it's never too late to spread your wings. Wings.
lot of stuff stuck under the glass, so I went ahead and removed the glass and cleaned up all the edges.
Been fighters right from the start. I see that it's tough now, but trust me, yeah, trust me. I know that we will make it through the storm, 'cause you and me been fighters since we were born. It's all over our bodies and hearts. Yeah, you and me been fighters right from the start. Hey, been fighters right from the start. Been fighters right from the start. Hey, been fighters right from the start. Been fighters right from the start. I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you. 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 Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me
to sever the ties. But I would never, ever, ever would've believed them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever, ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever, ever would've believed them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever, ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. Man down, he ran out of luck and now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track. Here she goes. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are.
Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream, so you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah, wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah.
Hey guys, I just got back from Walmart grocery pickup, so I wanted to show you what I got real quick and then I'm going to put it all away. I just got this. I'm going to try it out. It's just a 360 duster, the Great Value brand. And my 4-year-old has been begging me to make cupcakes, so I got some stuff to make cupcakes. And then I got obviously stuff for peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, some more cheese. The baby likes the whales, so I got her some of these, and I figured she'd also like the vanilla wafers. Then I also got these wafer cookies, and then I also got the vanilla ones for her. And then the kids have been asking for more yogurt, so I just went and got these individual cups. So they're about the same price as getting a big one, and I don't have to waste dishes on them. I got some baking soda for cleaning. This is for me. I eat oatmeal for breakfast. My son loves burritos, so I always make sure to have some burritos for him. And the kids and the baby eat waffles for breakfast. Obviously the baby eats them plain, but they love waffles, so I got them some more waffles. And then the baby's formula. She just recently switched about a month ago to formula because she is almost 11 months old and she weighed as much as a 3-month-old. So we went ahead and started supplementing her with this, and so far she's doing pretty good, so that's good. And then I just got some oil for the cupcakes. I actually forgot to add that to my pickup, so we had to run in before I picked up the groceries and get this. And then I just got some white vinegar for my cleaning as well. I'm gonna go ahead and put that up right now.
Oh, you walked a while, you paid the price. Oh, you wiped some tears by the look in your eyes. What all my friends said still echoes in my head. We would make the cutest couple. I didn't know you were playing, and I'm just saying.
That's going to be the end of today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, don't forget to like it and let me know in the comments.
And now we're stuck in the shadow.